Excellency, Major General Jioji Konrote, President of the Republic of Fiji. I have the honor to present the Letter of Credence addressed to Your Excellency from Mafionga Aliioaiga to Imaleli Whanova Aletuaso Lauvi II, Head of State of the Independent State of Samoa, accrediting me as the first Resident High Commissioner of the Independent State of Samoa to the Republic of Fiji. I also wish to convey to Your Excellency the warm greetings and best wishes of my Head of State for your good health and well-being, and for the peace, prosperity, and happiness of the people of Fiji. March 5th, 2021 will be etched in history as the day when Samoa and Fiji's bilateral relations was elevated to another level. Today's ceremony ushers in a new dawn in the enduring and multifaceted Samoa-Fiji relations, which is anchored in mutual trust and respect, genuine friendship, and people-to-people ties, and bonded by a shared history and cultural, social, and economic relations. Fiji is already the proud home to a vibrant and growing Samoan community, just as we have been blessed to welcome with open arms and grateful hearts all Fijians who have made Samoa the adopted country. Having a diplomatic presence in Fiji demonstrates Samoa's renewed commitment to consolidate the mutually beneficial relations that our countries have enjoyed over the years in various fields, including religion, education, sports, trade, and investment. Working jointly, we can unlock development opportunities for expanded cooperation to further our shared goals and aspirations, and to build ever closer ties between Samoa and Fiji. The call for renewed partnership to push diplomatic, trade, and investment relations was the underlying message in the discussions between Honorable Prime Minister Frank Bainimarama and Tuna Epas Aigele Maria Leangaui during the official meeting in Suva in August 2018. The establishment of Samoa's High Commission in Fiji therefore bodes well for the joint implementation of our leaders' shared vision and translate it into tangible, beneficial outcomes for our people. Your Excellency, I am deeply honored and privileged to represent the government and people of Samoa and Fiji, especially during these complex, challenging, and unparalleled times. I am comforted in the knowledge that Samoa and Fiji have long partnered, championed, and advocated together on the regional and world stages on many issues affecting our individual countries and our Pacific region as a whole. Now more than ever is the time for renewed partnership and friendship, so that whatever challenges await us in the future, we can overcome them as friends and as family, working side by side in unity and solidarity. For my part, I fully commit during my journey to work closely with the Fiji government and the Fiji people to build a resilient, more forward-looking partnership as the platform to advance and sustain our common agenda and deepen the already strong relations between our two countries and people. I thank Your Excellency for graciously receiving me today. Fa'afetai.
Your Excellency, I'm very pleased to receive your credentials. I welcome you most warmly and sincerely out of Fiji and wish you very happy and successful mission. Please convey to the head of state, the government and the people of the Independent State of Samoa the warmest wishes for the continued well-being, peace and prosperity. Aloha. Congratulations. Welcome to Fiji. And thank you for that. It's the most comprehensive and longest speech during the presentation of credentials. I've been here 6 years now. The man behind you is the former secretary, and he knows you, right? You'll meet the rest of the team. But I've been looking forward to this day. So nice to see you, and we've got so much to talk about. I'm not too sure how much time you've got. There'll be more opportunities for you and I to get together.
It is only good for me.
You're no stranger to the place, you know. We're in your colorful